So this is how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook. It's actually quite simple. Let's go on ahead and open up the app and then tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. As you can see, there's a settings button right under that, so we're going to want to tap on it. And now simply scroll down until you find content preferences. Open up the button, and as you can see, there are five more buttons: favorites, snooze, unfollow, reconnect, and manage defaults. Tap on the third one, which is the unfollow one. And as you can see, here are all of the people that I follow. And right next to them is this blue button that says unfollow. So in this tab, you won't actually have to go to their profile just to unfollow them, but you can scroll through and unfollow everyone who you want to unfollow. It's actually a pretty good feature where you can easily unfollow everyone in your Facebook account. So yeah, that's about it. Once again, all you're gonna have to do is simply go down to settings and privacy, and then go to content preferences, and then tap on unfollow, and you're here. After that, simply tap on unfollow and you'll be good to go. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.